Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Angus beef steak. Begin by taking your steak out of the refrigerator at least 1 hour before cooking. This allows for even heat distribution. Next, season it generously with coarse salt and fresh black pepper on all surfaces, ensuring a delightful crust. A well-seasoned, room-temperature steak is the foundation for an exceptional meal. Achieving that perfect sear is crucial for a fantastic Angus steak. Place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until it just begins to smoke. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed, then carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan. Sear each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, allowing a beautiful, caramelized crust to develop. After searing, reduce the heat to medium and add a tablespoon of butter to the pan, along with some fresh garlic and rosemary or thyme. Tilt the pan and spoon the melted butter and aromatics over the steak, basting constantly for 2 to 4 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare, ensuring a juicy, tender finish. Once your steak reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board. This step is incredibly important for a juicy result, allowing the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Allow it to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Resist the urge to cut too soon. Finally, slice your beautifully cooked Angus steak against the grain, ready for you to savor every tender, flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.